I teach the Machining Academy, and we go through machine tool technologies for metal cutting with manual machines and CNC equipment. Students will learn machine skills for setup, measuring tools, blueprint reading, shop safety, and other skills that they'll use to go into full-time employment when they graduate.
I chose advanced manufacturing. I've had some prior experience for my job and stuff with work. It helps with problem solving, and you can get a job later on during the year and stuff like that.
Students that will be successful in the machining program will be looking for gaining full-time employment in a high-demand field with very competitive pay rates currently. Mentor, Ohio and Lake County has a lot of job openings and is a very high-demand field.
I kind of already had an idea based on my career field and stuff like that and the opportunity I was given, but yeah, if you really enjoy stuff like this, the hands-on, the problem solving, the experience, the learning part of it, it's great for everyone. I guess if you're kind of into that stuff, give it a shot.
Our program is unique because it's a learn and earn model. So we partner with local businesses to offer internships to students that are successful in learning the skills and implementing technology to make parts. Doing an internship as a student, they're able to put that on their resume. The majority of times the companies that offer internships will hire the students directly when they graduate. Students will likely have a job offer even before June.
Honestly, I enjoy all of it. The people are great, it's a good atmosphere. I like overall what I'm learning in there, the math and stuff, problem solving, hands-on stuff. The teaching is great. I mean, it's great, just awesome.